Storms offshore, but they're headed away from us. So in addition to being cool, if your only other wonderment, at least as far as the weather is concerned, when will the next rain event arrive? It's going to be days away. And even then, probably just a few coastal showers until Thursday. You can watch it here, that the showers move away pretty much through Wednesday. And then later on Wednesday, we start to see some activity develop offshore, and some of that will begin to head our way. This is sort of trying to add up the rain gauge through Wednesday night, Thursday morning, nothing at all. And then we'll see on Thursday, at least some of the models indicate not heavy amounts, but we could begin to see a few coastal showers develop and then gradually spreading inland. What about the wettest day this week? We'll take a look at that in just a moment, but let's enjoy tomorrow. Lots of sunshine, not quite as breezy. Pretty chilly out there during the morning. Officially, we could go down to 44 degrees, but then an afternoon high pretty close to 70. Remember, this is an official forecast, and I suspect there will be some thermometers, especially south and west of downtown Jacksonville, that will see 70, might even see room temperature, if you call that 72 degrees. Out around the beaches, notice the ocean. The ocean now is, although dropping, is warmer than the air. It'll be that again tomorrow, 75 degrees, but even on the beaches, almost making up to 70. Gustier winds early in the morning, then those winds will gradually decrease. If you are one of the lucky ones to maybe take a relaxing stroll on the sand on a work and school day. Tuesday, high tide 10 o'clock, so that implies low tide, lots of beach, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, in the middle of the week we go. A few coastal clouds returning, but overall another nice day. I think you're going to like it. Low temperatures of 46 degrees. Out around the beaches, more like the 50s because there'll be a breeze off the ocean, and then temperatures going up to 74 degrees. So here's the day there'll be some coastal rain. I'm really trying to be picky with my words. This means many of you, especially west of I-95, even on Thursday, you're going to be dry. Just want to let you know we're going to begin to see some coastal rain return. Despite that, temperatures will be moderating. Notice the morning lows more like the 50s, and then afternoon high temperatures almost back up to 80 degrees. And if you're new to the area or have you forgotten, the seasonable highs this time of the year, mid-October, pretty close to about 80 degrees with morning lows of about 55 to 60. So by Wednesday, especially into Thursday, back to what we consider to be an average. Not only tough for me to say, but it's tough to pick an average in October because our temperatures really are doing more like a roller coaster. So the average tends to be in between our cool down and then we warm back up. So on Friday we warm back up, not super humid, but morning lows of about 60 degrees. Friday is probably going to be the day this week in which we'll have the most widespread showers. Can't rule out a couple thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon and the evening. So that means once again for Friday evening football, there could be a few thunderstorms around. We'll keep a close watch on it. Then comes the weekend. Of course, every weekend this time of the year, because it's just outdoor kind of weather. There's all kind of events, but this is one of the big kahunas, right, of the fall season, the Sea and Sky Air Show. It's at the beaches this year. If you're also new to the area or have you forgotten, we tend to alternate, NES Jacks or the beaches. This year it's going to be at the beaches. The main event going on between 1 and 4, and the Blue Angels will be right in the middle of that. Both days look dry. Gustier winds on Saturday. Winds won't be quite as strong. In fact, actually, winds should be much lighter on Sunday. Putting all of it together, we might see a little rain return to the coast on Thursday, most widespread shower activity on Friday, and then it looks like a nice weekend setting up.
Very nice weekend.